Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 19, OV 232. सांगू एकदा सांगू दोनदा, न करी जो गुमान आमुचे शब्दा, त्या मग पोटचे पोरास सुद्धा, चिरोनी द्विधा फेको की. I will try to tell once, to tell twice, but if a person does not care to listen to my words, even if he be my kith and kin, I will not hesitate to tear him apart and throw him away. महानुभावते महामती, कायमी पामर वानु चमत्कृती, कोणादे ज्ञान प्राप्ति विरक्ति, सद्भाव भक्ति कवणादे. He was a genius and magnanimous. How can I, an ordinary person, describe his mysterious powers? He would give knowledge to some, develop non-attachment for some learned goodness from him, some got awareness of true devotion from him. कुणास काही व्यवहारी प्रशस्त, वर्तनाची लावित शिस्त, सुटका एक उदाहरणार्थ, श्रोतृवृंदार्थ मी कथितो. In certain cases, he advocated the right discipline of behavior. I will give an example of such an episode to my listeners. एकदा बाबा भरदुपारी, काय आले नकळे अंतरी, राधाकृष्णीच्या घराशेजारी, आली स्वारी अवचिता. One day, at high noon, without any rhyme or reason, Baba suddenly came near Radha Krishna's house. समवेत होते काही जन, म्हणती आणा आणारे निसण, तो एकाने तात्काळ जाऊन, शिडी तै आणून ठेविली. There were some people accompanying him, and he asked for a ladder to be brought quickly to him. Someone immediately got one for him. बाबा ती लावविती घरावरी, स्वयं चढती छपरावरी, कोणा न ठावे काय अंतरी, योजना तरी हे काय. Baba put it against the wall of the house and climbed up to the roof. No one knew what was in his mind and what was his plan. बामन गोंदकराचे घरा, शिडी लावविली ते अवसरा, चढले शिडीवरुनी छपरा, स्वयं झरझरा श्री साई. Actually, the ladder was put against Vaman Gondkar's house, and Shri Sai climbed up the ladder to the roof himself, very swiftly. तेथून राधाकृष्णीचे छपर, शेजारीच घरासी घर, तेही वळखूनी गेले सत्वर, काय हा चमत्कार कळेना. The houses were adjoining, and he crossed over quickly to Radha Krishna's roof. Nobody could understand the mystery. राधा कृष्णाबाईस मात्र, तेच संधीस मोठा प्रखर, आला होता शीतज्वर, अत्यंत अस्थिर त्या होत्या. At that time, Radha Krishna was suffering from severe malaria, and she was very restless. दोघे दो बाजू धरू लागत, तेव्हाच बाबा चालू शकत, स्वयं एवढे असता अशक्त, कोठूनी सामर्थ्य आले हे. Baba himself was so weak at that time that he had to be supported by two people on both sides. At that moment, from where did he gather that strength? लगेच दुसरे बाजूची वळचण, वळघोनिया तेथील उतरण, तेथेही लाववोनी तीच निसण, आले उतरून खालती. Immediately, he crossed to the other side of the roof, and from the eaves came down the slope and descended by the same ladder which was fixed to that wall.